Hello and welcome to my video. This is a 2014 Shasta and it's called 305QB. It's a 2014 Shasta Flyte 305QB. It's got electric tongue jack, electric awning. It's one owner, everything works on it. Hasn't traveled, nice tires, outside speakers, fiberglass siding, a little bit of storage there, got a spare tire here, manual jacks on all four corners, tinted windows, outside shower, satellite and park cable hookup. Hasn't traveled any. Going to the high bidder. I got several no reserve auctions this week, so get one picked out if you're in the market for a trailer, because these are all going. Got to make room for the 2020s. Got a large U-shaped dinette, jackknife sofa, has an included 32-inch flat screen TV, has your island queen. Kitchen area, no smoking, no pets. Older couple had this. Might have had their grandkids out once in a blue moon. There's a nice shower with the skylight, nice and bright in the bath. Got a hall closet and a bunk room closet. And this is quad bunks, as you can see. Quad bunks. Got a nice skylight back here. It's a nice big trailer with no faults, nothing wrong with it. Won't find anything wrong with this. Give it a good bath on the outside and it'll look like brand new again. Anyhow, thanks for looking. This is the 2014 Shasta 305QB trailer. Have a great day.